Hello and welcome back to the quick vlog. In our previous video, we have talked about all and any operators. Similarly, in today's video, we will be discussing on the case statement used in MySQL. If you haven't watched our previous video also, we have a playlist of MySQL. You can visit there because it is a sequence based video. So you might get confused if you miss our previous video. So I hope you have watched our previous video and let's start our topic. We are again using the same database or same data from our previous video. So I again request you to visit our playlist and watch our previous videos as well. We are using the quick vlog, and before starting all of the topics or about the case statement, let's go through a small introduction. Basically, the case statement is used for conditional logic with queries that is similar to if-else structure in programming. It evaluates conditions and returns specified results based on those conditions which are met. The syntax includes when for each condition and then for result if the condition is true and else for the default value, just like if else we are using in our uh, other programmings like qbasic and many more. Similarly, after that we can use case statement with select, where, and various clauses like order by and etc. It is useful for categorizing data or creating dynamic columns without the need for multiple queries or any complex logic. Or in basic introduction or a basic term, we can say it as a if else statement in other programming languages. It is similar and it is operated over queries. This is the, let us see syntax at first. Okay, the syntax is as case, and there will be condition of when condition one, then result this. When condition two, result this, and you can any condition up to n. That means you can go up to 10, 20, 50 as per your requirement. And in the else, we are keeping the a default value. That means if none of the condition matches, then we will show a default message similar to other programming languages. And we have the query, or we have the code related with, or we have the query related with the database. Same query I have pasted here, and it is as select id and name. When department id is one, we have a employee id, employee table, where we have classify employee with different department id, and there are totally 4 department ids. And we have uh, made a condition where department id, if the department id is one, then working in engineering department. If the department id is two, then working in finance department. Three, then working in human resource department. And department four, working in marketing department. And the department id we have already inserted into our table. We have inserted it in our previous video, so you can watch there how we have used the tables. And if none of these conditions are fulfilled, or none of the conditions are, any conditions are not met, then it will give a default value, that is administration. And uh, it will be saved in a column of identification. We can keep any name, any column name here. I have kept identification because it is related to identifying which department whether the employees are working. And if he or she is not working in any of these department, then he or she is from administration, and we are selecting it from table employee. So this is the query. Let's run it. Okay, the column name is identification because we have kept it as identification. And the case statement starts from here and ends from this end. uh, all the condition written inside this two things, that is case and int. They are the our conditions for checking whether the conditions are met or not, or this is the logical part. We can say this is the logics of selecting or comparing with the condition. And here we have id, name, and identification, where id, this is employee id because we have select id from employee, that means it is employee's id. And name and identification, uh, he is working in engineering department. That means we have given him department id as 1. Okay, here is Suresh's record and this is department id is 1. Okay, that's why it is showing working in engineering department. Similarly for id2, the working in this, id3 again working in engineering department, employee id4 working in human resource department, and it goes on up to 10 records because we have 10 records in the table of employee. And we do not have any results for this administration or else, because our all the table, all the records matches with any of or either of the conditions, because we have given them all with a department id. There is no any record without a department id. But if we change it, like let's suppose, let's remove this line. We have only three conditions, that is 1, 2, 3, and extra we have four department ID with four, but we haven't kept the condition. That means it will recognize is it as a default value, and it will print administration for those who have got department ID as 4. Okay, let's run it and let's see. Here is no any records for administration. It is all about the departments. Okay, let's see now what happens. Okay, we have a record of and for administration. That means she might be working in department ID 4. Similarly, we have another record. Okay, we have got two records with administration. That means they two are working in department 4. As we haven't kept the department 4 in the condition, that means it will recognize it as a default value, which is administration. I hope you have got some knowledge about the case statement in MySQL. Hope to see you soon. Like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.